This tutorial is about pointers. So before we get into the concept of pointers, let's get familiar with the concept of address in C. To get an address of a variable, reference operator AND is used. In the below example, we use this notation in scanf function to store the value provided by the user in address of variable var. So let's go through a program to understand the concept of address by retrieving the same. So here is the program. Let's go through the steps. So in the first step, we are initializing a variable. In the next step, we are printing the value of the variable, and third step, we are printing the address of the variable. So below given is the output, where the value is printed as 5 and value of address is also printed. So you may get a different value of address while executing the code. So value 5 is stored at this particular address, while the var is just the name of the memory location. So now in the next slide, let's see what are pointers. So pointers are the variables that store the address of another variable, that is direct address of memory location. And pointers can be declared as mentioned below. So for example, int star p, where p is a pointer variable of type int and operator star will get the value from the address. Now let's see a program to understand pointers in a better way. So here is the program to display the value of a variable using pointers. So let's go through the steps. So in the first step, we are declaring a normal variable. In the next step, we are declaring a pointer variable. Then we are initializing the variable I is equal to 5. Next, we are assigning the address of I to pointer variable ptr. And later on, we are displaying the value of I using ptr variable. So let's try to execute this program. Now let's go to the program flow to understand the program in a better way. So once the declaration is done, value 5 will be stored in I variable and a garbage value will be stored in pointer variable. Now after assigning the address of a variable to pointer, address of variable I gets stored in pointer variable. So let's try to execute this program. Let's execute this program. So we have got the output as 5. So this is all about pointers.